year, it's the same: the sore throat, the dripping nose, the coughing. Almond cold reeks have, passing around a classroom, workplace or home, lingering and making everyone miserable. Believe it or not, a cough is actually a good thing. Your body's way of clearing your airways in response to an irritant. Cough can also keep you up all night and make you generally miserable, and sometimes it feels like it's never going to go away. Today we talk about 10 types of drink for cold and cough.
Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Here are some home remedies for cold and cough. Number 1. Lime juice with cinnamon and honey. All you need to do is squeeze some fresh lemon juice into a tumbler or a glass of water. A pinch of cinnamon and a spoonful of honey for sweetness. You are unable to drink water at a normal temperature. You can make this drink with lukewarm water. This drink is packed with antioxidants that help to repair damaged immune cells, and it is antibacterial as well as antiviral. Number 2. Golden milk. Golden milk or warm milk with turmeric is a traditional Asia drink that is used as a cure for cold, cough, other bacterial infections. Then heat some milk and add a teaspoon of turmeric. Golden milk is usually made without sugar, but if you want it to be sweet you can add some honey. Pour the milk in an insulated water bottle to keep it warm and sip on it, especially before bedtime. Number 3. Fresh pineapple juice. Fresh fruit juices with no artificial sweeteners can feel refreshing. Apple is one of the best fruits to have, especially when you have a cold during a change in the season. It's a source of the enzyme bromelain and is therefore anti-inflammatory. Fresh pineapple juice in a stainless steel water bottle and take small sips throughout the day. Juice will soothe your throat, reduce congestion by expelling mucus and stop severe coughs. Number 4. Thickened sweet and spicy milk. This drink is made by combining roasted chickpea flour, oil, milk, sugar, or jaggery and spices like black pepper, turmeric, and cardamom. Chickpea flour thickens the milk and the spices have antibacterial properties. You can prepare this delicious drink before dinner and pour it in an insulated tumbler to have it before bed. It will help to reduce the congestion overnight and you will also feel rather rejuvenated. Number 5. Ginger tea. Drinks with anti-inflammatory and antiviral properties are recommended during a cold and cough. Ginger tea is not only easy to make, but it is also one of the best. Phytonutrients, gingerols, and shogaols reduce the risk of viral infections and can help prevent severe cold and cough. Make ginger tea. You can choose any tea you like and add a few slices of fresh ginger to the brew. Don't let it go cold and try to drink it every day, preferably in the morning, slowly sipping from an insulated tumbler. Number 6. Black tea. Black tea is rich in antioxidants and it is particularly effective if you have been suffering from a cold for a long time. You can drink black tea at any time of the day, and you can also flavor it with some spices like cardamom, cloves, and ginger. Number 7. Gooseberry and mint juice. Gooseberries contain vitamin C and polyphenols that can help to fight bacterial infections. Gooseberry juice is made by making a paste of some fresh gooseberries, salt, and black pepper and then stirring that paste in a glass of water. Now, this might taste sour and not very pleasant. You can add some honey to the juice. Number 8. Green tea with saffron, almonds, and honey. Green tea is considered to be one of the best teas to cure a cold and cough. Clears the respiratory tract of harmful bacteria and reduces congestion. Drinking green tea regularly can also reduce the risk of infections and illnesses like the flu. Green tea contains antioxidants like quercetin, and so it is effective in curing viral infections. If you are down with a cold, you can brew green tea and flavor it with saffron, some crushed almonds, and a dash of honey. Number 9. Warm and spiced buttermilk. If you have a severe cough, you will want something that is going to soothe your throat. During a cold, you might find most foods and drinks tasteless. This is why buttermilk is a great drink. Buttermilk can be flavored with spices like turmeric, cardamom, cinnamon, and cloves to add more flavor and to also make it antibacterial. Number 10. Savoury Rasam. Make rasam, you will have to cook a watery curry with tomatoes, tamarind extract, green chilies, and curry leaves. Rasam is then flavored with stir-fried mustard seeds, coriander leaves, cumin, and dried chilies. Then serve this both like drink in any drinkware of your choice or even have it with rice. Curry leaves in rasam clear the congestion from the respiratory tract and the warmth of the drink is soothing for sore throats. For making a drink for yourself, check if all the ingredients suit you. Avoid recipes that contain ingredients you are allergic to. If you like the video, give it thumbs up and share with your friends. For more interesting videos, subscribe to the channel.